That short would have been beautiful, but remember Powell speaks at 10:30. Oh man, be careful. Oh, no, we my girl. Make the decision. Go up or down. I mean, please go up, but if these stick, might be in trouble. And there's the short. Fuck. Yikes. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna close it. Fuck me. I'm gonna try a short. Trying a short, the VWAP. It's just not holding, guys. It's not holding. Why am I in the fucking 2030 the whole time? Shit. Oh man, it might actually be good to go up. I didn't realize on the 30-second. See what happens. 30 seconds pointing down though, so that bully block just wasn't holding. But there's a few right here. That's what's throwing me off. That could hold. One minute short. Good, good, good. Sometimes we gotta adapt, guys. We still have areas of reversal here. That's what's still scaring me. I don't think I can risk holding it more. I can't do the what if. This thing is gonna give me a fucking long. Bro, I take two out. Feel better taking two out. If I can move this into break even, I will. But it needs to pop down a little more for me. Here's like the do or die spot. Should rip through. Putting my I'm trailing my stop loss or TP, sorry. Fucking thing. It might want long now too, so be careful, guys. Oh, why are you still open? Not sure why that was still open. Might go long now. Yep, alright, I got a long signal. Try this again. 4. Long. Take one a little bit early, and then we'll see if we can get close to the 50. I'm not trusting the 50% pullback. It's been doing this, stopping like just before it every time, so it's a little weird. I'd rather just take it early. Morsi, I sent you the code for the free 30 days. If you use it and you don't want to continue, no hard feelings at all. Just make sure you cancel, okay? Make sure you don't get charged. I don't know what music I want on. I think I want like, here's a good one. Swept Asia high and London low. Could go up soon. Yet. Poopy. Let's go. This looks pretty. We got a soul collector. It's bouncing off the bully block. The only thing that's going against me is this VWAP right here. Sometimes it wants to be drawn there. It could be sick, but I feel like it's a little bit past it. But you could be right. Let's see. If it does, I'm going to draw it out just to see. Because I understand the 0.3 is the continuation. I get that. Nah, yeah, it's going higher than that. But weird. It's like the 45%. I can't explain it. It's really fucking weird. There's so many levels here too at the same time. So, I don't know. I thought it was maybe the 0.38, but I'm like, it's a little bit further than that. It's like it's
Iran's mission to the UN,
something random.
The US has effectively turned certain nations in the region into theaters of conflict.
So even like here would probably be better for my at least my first one.
Well, hello, everybody.
And then, 61%.
You're behind the
61% is usually my target, but it's not even making the 50%, man. Think so? There is some levels here. There is some levels here. And VWAP. Maybe reversals just aren't working. Fuck. Can't get a fucking continuation. I can't get a long. A reversal. Fuck, dude. Every time I go up, it goes down. Hey. See if EWAP has the bounce. If not, it's done. I can't hold it down here. It's too risky. I'd have to wait until it gets there. Sebastian, good morning.
Ambery says Liberia flag container vessel reports projectiles impacting water near its northeast of Saudi Arabia's Dammam. No damage or injuries. Ambery says vessel near Saudi coast assessed as US affiliated through ownership.
Shorts are fucking paying out. Alright, I'm wrong. Going short. Can't counter trend right now. Just gonna go with my signals. Aztec. Man, I get like a nice buffer and I give it back. Last time I was up 3,500, gave it back. I was up 20 something hundred today, gave it right back. Yeah. Problem is, like, I'm not even getting any catalysts yet. Well, in between, I'm like waiting for them.
Media, Qatari mayor arrives in Jeddah.
Oh, didn't want to do that. Come on. Shoot down. Just be careful because it is oversold now. The only thing I can think of is a sweep of 3,000 and down.
Philadelphia
300. Sorry.
Index hits near 3-month low, last down about 2.5%.
That's probably the way to do it. Get Apex Green and then switch over. Come on. Come on! Alright. We got some of it back. Still, very hard. You can see my areas are good. They're just not fucking holding. They're not holding. So, we'll do continuation plays, I guess, until it doesn't work. Either that or we gotta... I need more room to bring my trailing stop loss because it's just gonna get wicked out.
Just keep an eye on the VIX then. So at the open, it was at about 29.62 and now at about 30.79. So VIX is slowly climbing up as the S&P 500 continues to move towards the downside.
This is another long opportunity, but one of them's got to work, right? Third time's the charm. This is a fucking long. Third time's the charm. I'm going 6. We'll take some early, but it fucking should come up more. Third time's the charm. Let's
S&P
go.
500 and Dow pairs gains, Nasdaq turning negative, with the S&P 500 up now 0.1% and Dow 0.4%, Nasdaq down 0.1%.
Get your ass up there. Five-minute is in that area too. Obviously, we need another candle to push it up, but we should be Gucci, man. This third time. If it fails again, I'll be really fucking surprised. Looking for 373s for my first two. And if it sweeps that low, I don't think I'm going to trust it. AMD? Is it ripping up? Come on. I want to go in one more, man, but 6 is enough. We can be up really big, or if I go too high, we could be down really bad. So
Benchmark to CNBC says there is no evidence of wage price spiral, and says CNBC there's no evidence of wage price spiral, and it seems extremely unlikely.
I really want to go long.
Myra says inflation expectations are not yet affected by higher oil prices.
Take my hand away. Even if I'm right, I gotta do proper money management here. Proper money management.
Besmar says there is no evidence of inflation shock from oil.
This should fucking moon right now. They're warming it up for Powell.
Daddy? Is that you? Awesome. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Happy.
G7 says central banks are strongly committed to price stability.
I'm almost positive I'm moving up. I'm like, just do it because this is a really good probability of going up. We'll take it a little bit earlier. My issue is I never use a stop loss. Hey, AG, show me your fucking payout! Sorry.
Besmar says there is no sense that other colleagues are moving their positions based on oil prices.
I have stop losses, but most of them are mental because of the
Myron,
wicks.
markets are
The
volatile in
wicks.
the middle of a
It can easily be good if it comes down here.
and I'm not inclined to read much into markets.
It can wick through and then come up. Man. There's so many levels
So
here.
reminder, with the schedules today, it's just been added. White House Press Secretary Levitt is due to speak at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll pop that in the back end calendar for you. We'll pop that into the calendar on the back end for you.
Fucking moon this shit. This is good. I need a break above 316s. Bang. Good. Should be good.
Fed's Myron says, I'm still concerned about the
Daddy,
labor
chill.
market, and the Fed can accommodate that.
It starts breaking below this, though. I won't like it. This thing is fucking stupid, bro, if it fucking goes down. Hey, this is an A+ setup, too. A+, just going against the trend, I guess, is too strong.
Fed's Myron says wage growth has been coming down, and the Fed is holding back labor demand inappropriately. Myron says it could be a point easier over the course of the year. So the Fed's Myron says we could be about a point easier over the course of the year.
There it goes. This thing is playing games, bro. I'll take 2 out early. Just because if I'm wrong, I don't want to be an asshole.
G7 statement says central banks are strongly committed to maintaining price stability. Monetary policy will remain data dependent. Fed's Myron says inflation is heading back to target a year from now. And the Fed could do more. The Fed could do a point easier on rates.
There you go. There's the rocket. It should squeeze through. It's touching VWAP too much. It's thinking about life. I think where I want this. I'm struggling just a little bit. This is my 3rd time's the charm here. Go up a little bit higher. Dude, it's got to rip past this. Hey, go. There you go. Yeah. I guess the Fed just talking. That's what it was. Just kept it kept getting bashed.
Fed's Myers says central banks shouldn't prevent AI from job creation.
Wait, there's a fuck. They're still talking. I'll take out 2 if I can get it. Oh my god. Be careful, guys. Jeez. We should go up here. Go to the 30-second chart. I'm gonna have to scalp this. Thanks for the share. Appreciate you. Still kind of hard, though. You think we still hit my area? Every time the Fed speaks, it just fucking drops. So I've been able to shadows. I've been able to use multiple prop firms and combine them. So in my head, I'm telling myself that I was only down 200 here, right? So psychologically, that's what I tell myself. I'm only down 200.
You're behind the market.
Yes, I'm up a lot of money,
A real day trader.
but
Go real time at finance.
so I used to do like the 150Ks and be swinging like to the moon. But that one messed up my head a little bit. This one's much easier in the brain. I use Trade Sinker. I am affiliated with them. Code BULLY if you want 10% off. All caps. You think so? Yeah, we can wait for the higher. I mean, the higher low's here. This is one of those weird ones where the higher low is here. Man, just went right to my spot. I should be up like 3K right now. Ah. I was just too nervous. I was too nervous. Trade Sinker is $50 a month. I think with my code it's 40.
Fed's Myers says we can lower short-term interest rate to offset tightening effect of reducing balance sheet.
So bully. Here we are. This is where I would have took my TP. You little shitheads.
Myron adds that it's important to go slowly in balance sheet reduction.
I don't think he's gonna pull back, bro. I think he's gonna collect go and say F you. I am kind of interested in a small scalp. No, I'm not, because you got other bully blocks here. Yikes. This might just rip up more and more. Maybe pullbacks, we could rip it. We're in a weird situation here.
Fed's Myers says it isn't surprising that the bond market has excess volatility, and I don't read much from that.
Let's see if my Lucid. I'm $20 away from being unlimited giveaways, guys. $20 away.
Myers says there's been unwanted tightening of financial conditions.
No, not yet. We'll probably end of the day. Still need $24. All right, this is a short, but just be careful with it. I'm gonna take TP very fast in this, guys. Very fucking fast. I ain't playing games with this one because there's a potential of coming back a few spots here. Very good. Very good. This could be an actual refill zone. The two go up. Well, I don't want to hold it long. Oh man. See, this is when there's a bunch of bully blocks like this, like the purple candles, this is when it starts getting real difficult. It might be waiting for Powell. It means there's a lot of big dogs here waiting, chilling, filling in. I don't know what they're feeling, but they're feeling something.
These tighter financial conditions could have an effect on economic growth. FedMar says private credit is not representing economic risk right now. According to IATA, Middle Eastern carriers saw 16.5% year-on-year increase in demand from air cargo in
I
February.
feel like this looks
Capacity
bullish again.
increased by 13.5% year-on-year. FedMar adds that private credit concerns are not at a level that would change my views, but it is a risk that I'm aware of.
There's so many different levels here. I don't think it's. I want to go long, but I think I'm gonna chill. I think I'm gonna chill for a minute. I want to scalp long, but I really need to take it out. I'm gonna scalp long, but I'm gonna take it out quick because this is kind of a silly game. I don't even know if that was worth it. What I just do? I don't know what I just did. I'm fucking locked. Oh, I locked it. Ah!
FedMar says higher oil prices could accelerate cooling in the labor market.
Fuck that up. Look how much room it has to go up, though. Daddy Powell can really rocket this thing. Trying to think of where I should be taking my stop loss. Be way bigger than I fucking thought, bro. We're up to 61% now, though. Should fucking bounce up. Bounce it, bitch.
Fed's Maris' monetary policy is still restrictive. As a reminder, in about 10 minutes' time, Fed's Powell is due to give a lecture at Harvard. No text is expected, but there is a Q&A with the audience. So we'll get the video out for your feed shortly. And a reminder, at the same time, we get the Dallas Fed Business Manufacturing Index with a forecast of 2 prior 0
Yeah, exactly. Daly's saying that. Ah,
Israel's Haifa-based Bazan group confirms missile attack on roof of distiller's tank in Haifa Bay. Says damage is not material.
I think we should wait. What's oil doing? Is the white and red easy to read, or should I go different colors? I feel like the white is very bright, though.
Fed's Marin says, I'll probably get another Fed meeting. I'd love not to.
Need it brighter. Just a dream. It has potential to fucking moon. Unless Powell's like, I'm done with this fucker. He's like, I'm done. What broker? I have prop firms. I use Apex and Lucid. Use code BULLY for the latest and greatest discounts, and then I connect them to Tradeoview.
$138.39 a barrel after G7 nations say they're ready to take all necessary measures to preserve stability and security of energy market. According to Turkish Defense Ministry, they say ballistic munitions launched from Iran has been neutralized by NATO air and missile defense assets deployed in the Eastern Mediterranean. And all necessary measures are being taken decisively and without hesitation against any threat directed at our nation's territory and airspace. So again, Turkey says NATO neutralized munition launch from Iran, munition intercepted by NATO in Turkish airspace. We have posted out the video where Powell is due to speak on the feed for you to read through.
What's ECF?
That concludes Myron's comments on CNBC.
Damn. I say it looks long and it fucking rips. Guys, while we're waiting, tap that screen. Give me the 2K likes. 2K likes. It's only a few hundred. Only a few hundred. Keep me out of TikTok jail. Which broke? I just said it. American idiot. We said this yesterday was gonna play games too. We should have fucking listened, right? We literally said this yesterday. I know. Why can't we listen to ourselves daily? I mean, this was a banger trade here, but still.
Just getting details about Iran's oil exports and what they've been doing so far. So according to a source,
took 2 tries to get that third one.
That Iran is currently exporting between 2.4 million to 2.8 million barrels of oil and petroleum products per day, including 1.5 to 1.8 million barrels a day of crude. And they say that that is the same as, if not more than, it was on average last year. it's also selling them at a much higher price. 5
Bullish.
minutes ago, we're expected to hear from Fed's Powell. Videos
That's
on
bullish.
feed. Yeah, no text is expected, but there is a Q&A with the audience. Speaking at Harvard.
That means they're price gouging out of fear. And they had the same amount of oils last year. Fuckers. $200 more, people. 200 more to get to 2,000. Tap that screen. Tap that screen. We can't trade anyway. We gotta wait until this mother effer talks. Oil shorts look good. You know what? Off of that news, you're probably right. Probably right. At least to 101s. If not, it's gonna dump. I don't want to just go in because of the news. Because who knows? You know how the news has been. Lying. Why you always
US natural gas
lying?
futures fall over 5% to about $2.85.
See, this actually could go long for a spike. This could be going up because the oil companies are like, oh, they're doing it? I could do it too then. Yeah, I might actually go long on this. On oil. Gotta break my level though. 101.84 is where I have my orders on oil. No, it's going down. Sometimes you gotta wait. Going really slow though. Do I really want to play with something that's going this slow?
Vicky! I'm K. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Alright, I'm in long.
UK MTO says it has received a report of an incident 22 nautical miles northeast of Saudi Arabia's Ras Tanura.
Now, oil, I have no idea if it hits the 50%.
Well, hello everybody. This is Donald J. Trump.
I'm waiting for Daddy Powell. Oh, fuck you. We're still good. As long as it doesn't close below 101. You can do fuck you stop losses if you want.
One minute to go now until we get data from Dallas Fed and shortly expect to hear from Powell. UK MTO says two projectiles splashed in a container vessel near Saudi.
I don't know what kind of music I want. Any guys got any style of music you want to put in?
Ten seconds until Dallas Fed.
Move this a tiny bit. You're in shorts? I'm in longs and oil.
Still waiting on the data. The video hasn't started, by the way, for Fed's power.
How am I not moving enough?
Minus 0.2, minus 0.2, low the forecast of 2 for Dallas Fed.
What am I listening to? There you go. I'm still standing. Before he starts talking? I know, right? I'm in oils. I'm in oil. Should be okay to get out of this. For green. You got a lot of... Why am my shit freezing, bro? I'm still standing. There you go. I'm still standing. This thing's going real sideways now. It's definitely waiting for Daddy Powell. Oof. Guys, I don't want to like push too hard, but I need like 2,000 likes, like 150 more, or else there's just no point in me screaming. Just a couple more taps. My numbers are just ripping down. Thank you. They were there. We're there. Thank you. Nelly. I'm starting to give up on Mr. TikTok here. Still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, damn. You guys ripped me up 1,000. You didn't do that much. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. This is giving me long signals. Do we trust it? No! I'm scared. Thank you, thank you. You got me to 3,000, you little... See? I told you your fingers are strong. I knew it. I just gotta remind you guys like every 15 minutes. Just to give me like 1,000. That's it. You don't have to go crazy. Just to keep me on the board.
All right, and it looks like Powell is now sat down on the stage. So
Okay, he's on stage, boys and girls. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go to the 5. 5-minute,
US dollar index
so
reaching
short and a long at
around
the same time.
100.56, the highest since May.
It probably won't get crazy until his questionnaire. Let's see if I can be found. This TikTok agent says that I'm like, for some reason they're punishing me, and the only way to do it is just keep streaming. But I have no flags. It's just the algo. I mean, we have some. I mean, these guys are fucking paper trading. If you guys can't tell that they're paper trading, you can look at their fucking. Their drag and pull stuff. Yeah, I think there's something wrong with my shit, bro.
We have posted our the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index March report on the feed for you to read through.
Can he be found again? W for not going long. Yeah. Well, this is a long now. Guys, I'm restarting TikTok. Or do you think I should wait a minute? It did spike up to 19 now, but I can't be found.
And now the moderated conversation begins.
I'm gonna restart it. Fuck it. Come back, guys, and then just tap it like 10 times. I don't care. Yeah, every time I do that, Ocean Breeze, I get screwed, bro. I get screwed. But I'll do it right now. Give me about 1 minute, okay? It doesn't say trading, does it? I put analyzing charts and education. What should I put? Just use NQ and GC, that's it? Let me see what all these other people are doing. Hold on. Let me, before I restart. Number one, guys, is live trading. Second guy, day trading futures.
Citing a Lebanese
Third
report,
guy, day trading
Iran provided a
NQ.
message
Day
to
trading
the US
live.
that if fighting against Hezbollah
Live
in Lebanon
trading.
doesn't stop, Tehran will not be bound by the ceasefire with Israel. It will
It's
continue
me, bro.
launches.
It's me. Yeah, Powell speaking. All right, I'm going to restart. Man, I'm like, this thing's beating me up. It's fucking beating me up. It's actually not even like fun anymore. I love talking to you guys, but TikTok itself is killing me. It's killing me slowly.
Again, Lebanese report says Iran conveyed a message to the US stating that if fighting against Hezbollah in Lebanon is not halted, Tehran will not be bound by the ceasefire with Israel and will continue launches. This is to do with the ceasefire with Hezbollah and Israel. Just Tehran commenting on that.
This whole fucking program sucks, dude.
Fed's power says there's tension between objectives. So again, there's tension between Fed's two objectives. Of course, remember that's the jobs market, labor market, and inflation.
It's giving numerous long signals and then falls, so be careful, guys. Giving numerous
Fed's
long
power
signals
says
and
we
then
sense
falling.
this time that there is no unanimity.
There's tension between the two Fed's objectives. That's crazy. Tap that screen, tap that screen. We gotta wait a minute anyway, guys, because this is he's going saying nah, bro. Tweak. I lost 35, gained 2,000 last night, lost 2,000 this morning, and now I'm back again.
Iran's foreign minister actually discussed Middle East with French counterpart.
I hate doing that. My problem is like if I just keep with what I'm doing, eventually one of my wins is huge, which is annoying. You guys are back. I love you. I love you. I missed you. I changed the title again. All those people are that are up there have trading in their thing.
Fed's power says overall the research
say money can't buy happiness. Look at this
buying
fucking
market
smile on my
lowers
face.
rates,
Yes!
supports the
Can
economy.
a squirrel get a nut? Get a nut.
Fed's power says I'd be in the camp that there is something to that.
Yeah, I gotta keep it calm. You're right, Tweak. Keep it calm. As soon as the markets go back to normal, you know we're fucking making 100 G's. Which one you liking more? Play around with them too, you know? Sometimes you guys get them and then use them a little differently than me, which is totally fine. Whatever works, you know?
Fed's power says we haven't really seen the downside risks to large balance sheet that many had predicted.
So far, I've been really liking bully blocks.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time.
They've been making me a lot of money lately. I do have a short here, but it's really risky with this guy speaking. All right, this is giving me a long here. Should we scalp it? One scalp. Deadass. I don't trust it as much as I would like, so. Give me a break.
Fed's Powell says we're committed to getting inflation back to 2% on a sustained basis.
What do you mean dotted? Oh, my bully blocks? Like where it's lining them out for you? I'm assuming that's what you meant. $2 right there. Little tweaks. The levels have been pretty good too. I owe that one too. Well, I was figuring it out for a while, but Daily Fanatics helped me finish it a little bit though. Let's see. Bully blocks, yes.
Fed's Powell says tariff inflation is a one-time price increase, adding a half to full percent point to inflation. Fed's Powell says events in the Middle East affect gas prices.
Damn, look at that fucking thing.
Policy is in a good place and wait and see.
Dude, my computer's lagging pretty bad right now.
So policy is a good place to wait and see how current situation plays out.
It's all because of this stupid TikTok app. It's written so bad. It's written so bad. Why is Discord so slow now too? What the?
According to Al Arabia News, Bahrain
Oh,
banned
nice.
maritime navigation and approaching the coast at night until further notice.
Hey, I didn't do much. I mean, we got a nice area here. But I'm too nervous to hold long term.
Fed's Powell says Fed's tools have no meaningful impact on supply shocks. Again, Fed tools have no meaningful effect on supply shocks.
You still think it flies,
There is
Daily?
a tendency to look through supply
Look at
shocks,
this low.
but we must keep an eye on inflation expectations.
It's divergent. So it could. I really want to short here for a scalp. I'm doing it. But just a scalp, guys. Literally it's gonna be like $20. Well,
Fed's Powell says inflation expectations appear to be well anchored. Powell says that we're not facing yet the question of what to do.
then what are you doing? What are you doing, Fed?
Powell
Daddy
says we don't know what
Powell?
economic effects of current situation will be.
A little lower. Daddy. Right there. Right there. Really gonna miss it by that much? Fucker.
Fed's power says on monetary policy, Fed needs to be fully independent, but regulation is different, especially since Dodd-Frank.
Ooh, bearish. Generic direction shorts. Nothing right now in direction wise because Daddy Powell is speaking the Fed. This should swipe down. There you go. Window. Something wrong. It doesn't even matter. Even matter. Daddy? 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 I'm pretty sure my son, he's 16. But he can hear me and I swear to God he's probably like, I can't believe that's my father. An alpha daddy.
Brent futures turning negative after Treasury Secretary Bessent said global oil
Because his
markets
friends
are
on the game,
justified.
his friends on his game got to be like, what the fuck is that person saying in the background? They say some wild stuff.
Daddy, chill.
Can't go for all this. One thing you should know. Oh, I put my trust in you. Pushed as far as I can go. Oil looks long right here. Gold's ripping. Jose, it should, right? It should. Yes, last night, it did not do that for me at all. I had a TikTok agent.
US 270 yields fall at least 10 basis points on the day.
And everybody's playing music. It's
Fed's power says we have significantly hardened the system against the kind of losses seen in the financial crisis.
I mean, if that's the case, we'll go back to non-copyright. Put 'em. Where's my other Asian one? Dang, I should took that oil long. Man. But it's like
Powell says
stuck.
we shouldn't be trying to regulate risk out of existence.
I'll ask them.
Powell says we have a resilient financial system now.
Everybody literally plays music.
Powell says private credit is relatively a small part of large asset pool. And adds that we're watching private credit closely.
Gonna go like this to make sure it knows I'm alive. This is a hard one to get in, guys. I don't want to just get in this. As long as the B music doesn't come on. That one's scary. If the music's too loud for you guys, just let me know too. Shouldn't be. Double check. You know how Powell is going to affect the market? He can say anything, and this thing can dump or fly. Literally, we're on our knees to him right now. If he wants us to slurp it down, we're slurping it, baby. We're slurping it. Mic check.
According to IMF, Iran war threatens higher prices and slower growth for the world. So IMF published his blog post on economic impacts of Middle East war. We'll get on the feed for you shortly as well.
Well, hello everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. You're behind.
Mic check. Is the music too loud? That's so weird, man. Oh, 2.3? Nice, bro. Yeah. Okay, cool. You can't hear it now? You should be able to hear
IMF
it.
says war in the Middle East has caused serious disruption to nations in the region and is dimming outlook for many others. War is causing global, yet asymmetric shock, pushing up food and fertilizer prices and tightening financial conditions. IMF
You should
says
be able to
all
hear it.
roads lead to higher prices and slower growth. IMF also says the war raises current inflation and could fuel expectations of higher for longer inflation, fueling risk of sharper slowdown. And IMF says if elevated energy and food prices persist, they will fuel inflation worldwide. US stock index says extend gains slightly.
Should be
after
playing for
Powell's
you.
comments. The S&P 500 up 0.5%, Nasdaq up 0.3%, and Dow up 0.8%. Traders raise Fed hike bet and price in chance of a cut this year.
The one who speaks has echo on voice, does it?
Fed's Powell says the labor market is challenged by longer-term and secular forces. We have also posted out the IMF piece, again, how the war in the Middle East is affecting energy, trade, and finance.
No, it's Discord. I'm doing the wrong one.
Powell says US economy remains dynamic and productive. Now the IMF piece is on the feed. Powell says I'm very optimistic about medium and longer term. Fed's Powell says AI is making people more productive. Fed's Powell says there's no denying it's a challenging time to enter the job market.
I'm selling fucking oil. Ow, MNQ. Fuck. I'm on the wrong one. You're gonna short it? I'm gonna wait and see what happens here. Problem is, if it doesn't hold here, we're going up to the 520s. But that 0.50 is holding, so let's see. What's up, Sad? 5 seconds left. All right, I'm in short. Where this goes, I don't know. We could be safely take out 375s. Anchors on 30-second chart. We should hit the 76. But we are on my levels of the 61, so just keep that in mind. It needs to rip through this. Should swipe. All right, we're out 2. Got 2 left. You got edged? Ah, damn. We'll do a trail here. The 61% is at 350s. Go to the 30-second chart. We need a nice little spike down here. All the way down. On the day? Total or on each? There you go, daddy. I needed to rip down just a little more. Do you think we should take it out VWAP and just say fuck it? I mean, I could always do 1 instead. And then we'll keep 1 in. Alright, we're out. We got 1 left. Use me 5K in that? Damn. Ah, gotcha. Don't force it. But if it comes, then take it.
Daddy? Is that you?
8-4.
451 Patty Shot. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
See, now we have 70 people in here. So it's like, what is going on with this algo for me? If you're not following, hit that follow button. Uh-oh. Thinking music coming on? Can't lose. Got 1 left. I'm going to put at 350. It did hit VWAP, so just be careful. Four seconds left. I feel like I should do like a little bit higher. Oh, it got me. All right.
Daddy?
Woo!
Is that you?
That was a good one.
Men, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
If any of you guys made any money on that, hit the motherfucking like button. Let me get 15. No, let me get 20 each. 20 each if you made money on that. And a follow. Come on. That was crisp. Crispy clean. Woo! That was a nice one. You're
They
gonna
say money
write
can't
it
buy
going up for a
happiness. Look
long?
at the fucking smile on my face.
No, not yet. Not yet, John. I gotta wait and see. Iran arrests 46 in Starlink sales network. Ooh. Is Powell done? Anybody know? Yeah, sometimes you just got to with this market. I think it continues down here. Sweet short, baby. Yes. Oh, he is done? Okay.
Daddy? Is that you? Adio, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Did you get that short, Johnny? That was a banger, bro. That would have got you close. At least another 200. Yeah, he did. He did say it. Gotta get out faster. I felt like that was pretty fast. Nice. It does look like it wants to go down. TV, thanks for the share, bro. See what happens here. Oh, he's not done, Yogurt? You're fired! You're fired. I don't know why, oh, my voice is disconnected. He usually tells me when it's done.
Fed's Power says we do not seek a contagion from private credit right now. So again, we don't see a contagion from private credit right now. Fed's Power says that it
You want to go in
doesn't
the
have the
dungeon?
makings of a broader systemic event right now.
I think you'll like it there. If the music's too much, let me know if it's too loud or anything, alright, guys? TikTok is very weird. Alright, let's see if we can get along over here. I would love for it to come down a little more, actually. Very good, Meng. This beat goes hard, whatever this is. I didn't know how to rap, and I feel like I'm about to spit a line right now. Drop some bars.
So according to New York Times reporter, said that Trump confirmed to the reporter today that the US is negotiating with Iranian parliamentary speaker Galibaf, saying we'll find out in about a week whether he is someone America can truly work with.
Who's that for?
Fed bids for 6-month bills total $4.4 billion.
Waiting for a long soon. Could be a scalpish long, but you see this huge head and shoulders, right? A little bit weird, though. It's a little bit
Daddy?
weird.
Is that you? The black R8. Zoom zoom. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah, what level is that on yogurt? I don't know how to draw this one here because it's really unless it's something like that. We'll have to see on how this reacts. This is a really fucked up Head and Shoulders, but if it did break something like that, it would be really cuckoo. Zoom, zoom. Tell me when you're getting in the trade. This is 4 funded accounts. 4 funded. I cracked my Apex, bro. And now I'm waiting for a new deal through Apex. I don't think there's a sale on right now. Fucking crazy. Yeah, this ended March 26th. Right now, I'm gonna do get along, but now I need it to go to like 268s. You do got the 5-minute, but it would be nice if it goes down a little bit more. We'll have to see. Code plot. No, use my code, bully. My code works all the time. And it shouldn't work. Full floor Apex? I fucking suck at it now. I don't know what's going on with me with the 1000 drawdown. So somebody on the TikTok agency said keep the volume low, no profanity. In 20 words or less, what is your strategy? I am a reversal trader with bully blocks. It's an order block, but my style. We'll also do momentum plays with the soul grabber, baby. So we got liquidity sweeps with bully blocks, which is a version of my style of order blocks. It's a little bit different. I fair value gaps on both sides.
Daddy,
You have to have a certain amount of
Is that
criteria.
you?
And then we have our momentum plays too. Reversal FX.
According to Al Jazeera breaking this, citing Israel's Hayom, citing sources that Netanyahu rejected a French ceasefire initiative.
They rejected it.
Saying Netanyahu said that Israel will seize the opportunity to push the border beyond the Litani River.
Gab, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Yogurt, what's the 50% for you? I don't have to switch. I mean, it kind of already went up, right? It already hit it. Bro, I don't even think he can keep up, even if he fucking, you watched him.
He was 6-month bill and 3-month bill auctions. He was 6-month bill with a prior bid cover of 3.03 and a prior high yield of 3.636.
Let a little scream rip. What the?
Voice news disconnected.
A new low. I think we're all mad. It's driving me crazy cuckoo for weeks. I just need one good trade here. We're gonna make 10 G's today. I feel it. Pretty sure these are off. Just double check. Can't fucking see it. 55, 55, 51, 2, 51, 2. You know, one of them might. Gotta go see. Let me see. Let me just double check. Good for you. You're stronger than me. This damn host, I want to pass this lucid. Well, you got to make what 1,500 for today, right, Daily? Are you close to it? Let's see. Seven, 8. All right, I need to make this one on the bottom. I think. Let me just double check. Okay. I lied. I was wrong. I have 401 eval on there. Seven. We still got some wiggle room anyway, so. Are you at least back to break even? Yeah, that's very disciplined, Mallory. Good for you. Sometimes I want to get a fuck you account. So once I make a certain amount, I go to the the FU account. Yeah, I don't watch my language. The fudge you. Fudge you. I meant to say fudge you. D-Gen account? Yeah, I might need to get one of those. Man, this the 5 minutes what played out, isn't it? Yep.
5 minutes ago, now to be the US 6-month and 3-month bill auctions, with the US looking to sell $89 billion in 3-month bills and looking to sell $77 billion in 6
5
months.
minute played out.
US 3-month prior high yield of 3 spot 635.
Probably gonna go to
and
370s,
high
but
bid cover of 2.84, and US 6-month bill high yield prior was 3 spot 363%. Fed's Powell says we don't know how big the energy shock will be, and it's way too early to know. Also, the prior bid cover for the 6-month bill was 3.03.
he's still talking?
course, Japan being a great example, there are countries that have much higher levels of sovereign debt to their GDP than we do.
I don't see
What's
anything
clear
right
is
now that
our
black.
Debt is growing much faster. The federal government debt is growing substantially faster than our economy, and that ratio is
That's
going
bearish.
down. You know, in the long run, that's kind of the definition of unsustainable. The level of the debt is not unsustainable, but the path is not sustainable. And so it's really important that we get back to, we don't have to pay the debt down, we just need to have, you know, primary
I got a
balance
few fair value gaps here, so I'm not.
the economy actually growing better, growing more quickly than the economy. It will not end well if we don't do something fairly soon. This is not the Fed's job, of course, and I pretty much limit myself to those high-level
You heard what he's
points,
saying, right?
which essentially everyone ignores.
So we're going to thank Chair Powell, but let me just describe the sequence of events that now follows. So first we'll thank Chair Powell. Then anyone who wants to is welcome to join us on the stage, and we'll take a group photo with Chair Powell. Because of a tight schedule, there can't be any selfies, because if there's one selfie, there's 600 selfies.
Right.
So you'll need to make do with one photograph of the
I think
entire
I want to short a
class
little
with
one
our
here.
esteemed guest. But before we do that, please
Very
join
quick
me in
scalping,
warmly
though.
thanking Chair Powell.
That concludes Powell's comments at the University of Exeter.
Why is this guy like that? What the hell? He like.
Powell, come up on stage.
That was it? Oh, right into a fucking White House briefing? What is this? What is this? I am short, but I'm very I'm taking profits very fast lately. Oh man, he's done talking. Unless there's some Q&A. But they're setting up for a White House fucking briefing already, guys. Exactly. But did you hear what Powell said, right? He said, let's see. It is scheduled at 1 o'clock. Oh, damn.
Surely
See, Daddy
expecting
got it.
auction data for 3-month and 6-month bill.
So, could be the Head and Shoulders. Let's see. If we can get a higher low here, this would be the Head and Shoulders. But I see it both ways. You guys see it both ways? I see a Head and Shoulders this way. And now I see a Head and Shoulders this way. You think to the downside, Mr. Bastard, or up? I'm seeing both. I'm seeing both. And we're going to draw this line out right here.
Daddy? Is that you?
This would indicate yeah, but with the news, the higher time frame might not be switching fast enough. So on a 15-minute, this could still be the beginning of the bull because it's breaking. Yes, we're rejecting coming down. If it holds around this area of like 200, this is actually bullish. It would be a high or a low. So it's still deciding. Still deciding. 5-minute, yes, can still come down. But again, longer term, it's still deciding. If it starts taking out that low, then yeah, definitely no good. No good. What Powell said? Yeah, all right. So I'm going to say what Powell said. So Powell said the path that we're on, if we continue it, will not end well. He says we can handle the debt right now, but if it continues this route, it will not end well. Turn that treadmill up. I'm about to. It's up now, baby. So, here's the problem.
Anton Miller, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Here's the problem with some of their what they say. What's the time frame that he's looking at? What's the time frame that he's looking at? Should I ask AI and see? Because oh hell yeah, credit card debt.
Of 3.62% and a bit cover of 2.66, with the US selling $89 billion in 3-month bills. US 6-month bill high yield of 3.605%, bit cover 2.83. US selling $77 billion of 6-month bills. So with the 6-month bill, the US awards 20.82% of bids and high, and the 3-month bill, the US awards 56.71% of bids and high.
So I'm gonna ask you guys something. Let's just take like a little poll here, right? I went to my daughter's college about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I'm just gonna say how much I make, right? I don't care how much you guys make, as long as you guys are doing well in your life and you're happy. I don't care. I make $200,000 plus whatever I make trading, right? I sometimes, yes, I do very well, but sometimes I'm like, I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna pay these bills. You know, my electric bill, my gas bill, they're all over $1,000 a month. Like, what the fuck? So, my question is, I went to the college, and in the college parking lot, I didn't see one car valued less than probably $50K. There must have been 400 cars in this parking lot. I did not see one piece of shit car. And you know damn well, when we were growing up, we all had a piece of shit car, right? I didn't see fucking nobody have one. How is that possible? How are 20-year-olds have all these nice cars? If somebody can answer for me, please. So, I don't know that many more people that make more money than me, and I can't do what they're doing. So it's either I'm fucking poor, or they're poor and they're in debt. The only thing I can think of. They traders, Morsi? Aztec said the same thing. They're all trading. There gotta be debt, right? There's no fucking way. There's no way. There's no way. It only makes me want to work harder. Not that I'm not embarrassed at all, but I'm saying like yo, I can't give my kids $50,000-$60,000 cars. I can't do it right now. Both is crazy. I have 2 kids. I mean, if they're working and they're paying for it, good for them, you know.
They say.
Let's be real here. What college students pulling in, you know?
Voice news disconnected.
Just because my parents were shit, but could you afford that, Defector? And be honest, like, or I know you can afford it, but like, could you be like, should I really be doing this? Imagine people in 50K or less. Yeah.
Daddy? Is that you?
This is true. I am blessed Well, I worked hard for what I have, but I mean, at this rate though, like from 5 years ago, yeah, I have a huge house, but now like the utility bills are consuming me. I'm dead ass. I'm paying just heating bill, not even electric, was $1,100 last month. So I'm like, get solar? Yeah, how much does solar cost, Aztec? By the time you pay it off, it's like, well, it also depends on. That wasn't even electricity. Electricity was about last month was about a little bit cheaper in the winter. I think it was 400. In the summertime, because I got the central air going. So that shows you what Mr. Bastard's saying, the debt, right? The debt that we're in. We're gonna have to be bailed out. But I could be wrong. I don't know. I don't know how all these people are affording it. And then I asked my kids, and they're like, no, their parents are rich. And I'm like, in my head, I'm like, bitch, how is that possible? How is that possible? They got 2 houses. Gotta be hand-me-down, bro. I'm rich, rich. Now I wish I wasn't locked out and this was in my account. Uh-oh. Paper trade long 331s? Damn, you got that bottom. I needed to go a little bit lower. But this thing is ripping. Why? What made it rip? Google's finally coming up with the terms of EV auto. They're gonna start changing the routing if you have an EV. Okay, that makes sense. Tesla's maps are phenomenal. All right, that's a short. That's the short right there. I don't know if it wants this one up here. I think I'm gonna wait just a couple more seconds. If we miss it, we miss it. Man. Or should we just do one? I'm gonna do one. I wanted to go up a tiny bit higher. If I missed it, I'm sorry. I think I missed it. Are you short 400? Yeah, I should have fucking got in, man. 374? Oh, you got out quick. I think we come down to 62s. Easy short of your life. I missed it. I fucked up. I fucked up. You know what, Johnny? It's okay to doubt right now because of what's going on in the world. It's the only time I can say that. If it wasn't what's going on today, you know what my exact words would be? Stop being a pussy. A softie. Sorry, I can't talk like that. I can't talk like that. Stop being soft. Nice, Marco. Nice. I didn't get to what I wanted here, guys. Let's see if it comes back up. You know what? Aztec, that might be the way to go, bro. So you're going heavy and then taking 10? Because my moves work. My moves work. It's the follow through, and then it rips back up. Look. You see this 50% here? Didn't come to it. It stops like 5% before, so it's not a fib level. It's almost like the banks are like, you know what, guys? We're going to tweak it to 44% today. Some Rocket League. All right, let's see how it reacts here. Bro, Marco, you're completely right, bro. It was that one Nasdaq trade. I won't let that happen again today. If I lose, it'll be a lot shorter.
Daddy? Is that you? Hey, MM, welcome to the show, Daddy.
I feel like I wanted this 421s originally.
Just a heads up, UK's PM Starmer currently speaking at St. Business Roundtable. So again, Starmer speaking before Downing Street Business Roundtable. Just saying there's a coalition of 35 nations for DSP.
That's what I'm doing right now. 5 micro scalp for 510 points is the only way I can green right now. Yeah, dude, this is rough. They want to rip this? They might. That's why I'm like, They might. How you do thinking? Is this a thinking face I'm gonna send you? Thinking. Alright, let's see right now. If we can get a short here, I'm fucking going in. $23,415 is, as Zach is saying, has 208 cons and counting. But if it breaks that, we're screwed. We're screwed. Okay, we might get one here. Making sure the camera knows I'm alive. All right, I'm going in more. We're going in. I'm in 4. Actually, I'm going to go 6 because we're going to take our profit quick, right? Or at least some of them out. 4 at 375s. Actually, let's go in heavier if we're going to do this. Nice, Johnny. Nice. Nice. I shorted. 10 short, taking it out very fast. I want to get out before 75s. And then I'm going to leave 2 runners, I think, to see if it wants to continue down. Come on, baby, crack! Crack down! Scary. That 61% got bounced off of. The only thing that's making me nervous. But this, I feel like, needs to come down. Said 3 retests? Oh, which one? Oh, 1, 2, 3. He needs a swipe, bro. Swipe down. I don't know, bro. It should have dropped a little bit faster. We're going to see with this fair value gap here. I am shorting, but see how this goes here. Yes, I'm shorting. It should have ripped down a little bit faster. Give it a second. 3 up. Good rip down. I know, that's what I'm nervous of, Aztec. Because you said that. There's a lot of orders here. That would be a nasty squeeze up. Yeah. What's up, average man? Ah. What's it gonna do here? All right, let's do an FU stop loss. We're gonna do an FU stop loss. It's gonna suck. It's gonna hurt. But the only thing we could do right now. $15. I think if it starts breaking these, it ain't gonna be good. Fuck you, bro. Titus! Titus! I am on a treadmill, yeah. There's a squeeze. I think Mr. Bastard was right. I know. That just pisses me off. Damn it. Here we go. Here it is again. Let's see what happens. Gold collector's right there, man. We about to squeeze.
intercepted heading for Turkey, says NATO is prepared for such threats and will always do what is necessary to
Why is
defend
it so
all
low
allies.
now? About to squeeze up. I think we're ripping up. I'm going long.
Daddy?
Be
that
careful
you?
following me on this.
You're behind.
I
the
think it
market.
should.
If you're a real
It should squeeze. I'm thinking a squeeze, but could be wrong. Because these all failed. I mean, did they fail? On a short-term basis, they did good. It just didn't go further than we thought. Man, this might be a fucking short here, too. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. It's back and forth. There's a lot of opportunities here both ways. Yeah, it might short now. Yeah, I could have just got played. The 1 minute's telling me short, bruh.
Iran's top military headquarters spokesperson says Israel struck a desalination plant in Kuwait in its attempt to falsely blame Iran.
Damn. Fuck, I fucked up. Here's the short. Hoping that it just bounces off the 50% and rips back up. Any further past this, though, I have to close it. What a bitch, bro. Ugh. It's alright. It's okay. We're still green. We're still green. I got you. Come on. This is bad. This is bad. 50%.
Daddy?
About to go red.
Is that you?
I should have shorted it. I'm being a girl. We are at the 50%. That's why I'm holding it. We're going to see if it holds. If not, I'm screwed. I'm screwed. I know, Turtle. I know. I'm just a jerk. I was banking on this fucking squeeze here, man. You can't bank on it. You gotta react to when it happens. Yeah, I got it. I got an exit at 79, 80. 80, I would just be wrong. Sucks. What happened? He started being aggressive. Alright, I'm out. Fucking red, bro. Shit. This looks fucking long again. I'm an asshole, Johnny. I'm an asshole. This is what I originally wanted. It faked me out and then rips down. No, but it's fucking annoying that I gotta do this. Scalping. Scalping. Come on. I did go in a little heavier than I should have. Let's see what happens. Is this the B song? Give me some kind of bounce off the orb low here. Right to a fucking fair value gap? Come on. Definitely institutional money. That's short. Ugh. Come on. Get your ass up there.
Voice news disconnected.
We start swiping this, I'm done. I know it's good. I'm going in too high. Alright, I gotta chill. I gotta chill. Fuck you.
Daddy? Is
Yeah,
that
I'm on a
you?
treadmill.
Triple case. Welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy,
Dude.
chill.
I went from up a G to down 450 each account. One stupid mistake. You know what I did? I fucking sized up like a fucking asshole. And I ended up being right. I just got shook out. Oh. 30 seconds. I'm going in long. No reason why this doesn't go up to at least 95. If you can't hold here, then I'm fucked. And then we gotta chill for a minute. Then we'll have to walk away. I think I'm gonna get fucking spanked. Alright. I'm gonna, I need a 5-minute break. Don't come here and fucking teach me how to trade.
Daddy? Is that you?
I'm looking for a long soon here. Sorry, I had to walk away. Man, it's annoying. It's just really annoying that I gotta trust myself. I'm gonna take my time here. All right, I'm gonna long. I'm gonna long now. I'm looking for. I'm sizing pretty high too. Like, this would be a safe bet here. If it goes to 50, it goes to 50. I'm just not sure. I am sizing a little bit too high. I gotta chill, but this looks like a good spot. Ah! We're looking Gucci right now. I want to go in a little more, but let's do 4 more. That's it. Yeah, that's where I wanted to go. There is a couple levels here. Makes me nervous. Sure, what we got here. Fuck, dude. Needs to bounce here, or else I gotta walk away for a bit. Because this is all cash. This was that short we were looking for before. We look Gucci. Nice little sweep. Still rejected the next one. Along with me? Yeah, that was that bottom we were looking for. Okay, now we got another entry. You don't like how it was close to 300? Well, I said the same thing up here, and look, it never even hit my one area. But 300 is a whole number, so I get what you're saying there. Come on, I need a nice 2G win right here. Are you losing on purpose? Wow. That one hurt me a little bit, huh?
Daddy? Is that you?
Even if I'm wrong here, I still think this was a good area to try. Put it in the dungeon. Put it in the dungeon. Yeah, that short wasn't my bad, bro. I fucking said it too. I fucking said it. Some Black Betty. Let's do this. I'll have to look in a bit. From freestyle, put freestyle up next. Get this back, baby. Moonshot. Moonshot it, baby. Come on. Gonna rip right through. think I want to switch these. 10 out here, 4 out up top. Just in case I'm an asshole. Come on. Yeah, nothing's holding. If it comes down again, I got some shit luck. My God. 61% of this. Move up. Dude, I just can't get a fucking break. I can't get a break. I long to hear because of the order blocks we're holding. And we got a nice push up. The problem is that whoever's shorting it is just way too strong. They're too strong. I mean, we're still okay here until we start hitting this bottom. Then we're just wrong. Fuck. This thing is so fucking annoying. Midnight Toker. Alright, it's respecting it again. If it can't hold this, though, this is going to be a bad part. Really need you to go up here. Really need you to go up. Thing that I ever did see. Really, really, peaches wanna shake your tree. Yeah, I'm gonna get fucking sniped on fucking 2 of my accounts, I think. I'm not gonna switch to the short yet. This happened to me last time, and then it ripped up. I could be wrong, but we're gonna see. If it dumps, it dumps. I don't fucking know. Bro, I'm down fucking 8K cash. From 5,000 up. What a fucking dumbass. Do 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 do. Fucked up. So stupid. We're oversold again. Let me get a rip. I can't get the bounces lately. They're just fucking like going and then falling, going and then falling. Come on. Crazy. It needs to rip through this. What's the 5 doing? 5 already kind of closed below it, which kind of don't like. But if it recovers quick, then it would be cool. You see how the 5 minutes here? It needs to recover now. See that denial? Not good. Definitely been tough, dude. I've been up. I was up 3,000 last night, up 5,000 today, and now I'm back again, red. If I can get this win, though, like, we Gucci. If not, fuck. Fuck for today. I'm probably going to walk away after, too. Oh, are you telling me too many trades? If you are, bro, you can go fuck off. Make me angry. Bro, in my Discord, I got plenty of payouts. Please. Thing's gonna fucking whatever. Two of my accounts just fucking closed. I have my $1,500 loss in. Damn it. I'm sorry. I'm just angry. I'm upset. So annoying. This is the next green one. Last trade and then I'm done. I got plenty of cash in my other two funded. Come on! Me? I'll be done after this though, if I can't get this. No. I was up here, yes. I was up here, but we filled everything. Now it keeps showing me longs, but we're getting sniped out a little bit here. And the girls are pretty. There's no reason why this doesn't have a sympathy bounce here. Why doesn't it have a sympathy bounce here?
Daddy? Is that you? Vision Star, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah, I know. Johnny, I feel you. It's my bad, guys. Wasn't my day. It's not. You're right. It's literally just soul collecting my heart. Literally like fucking 6 times to go up, and it just keeps falling. Yeah, I hope a better day tomorrow. Tomorrow, if I'm not on, my son has to get his wisdom teeth out in the morning, so that's why I left it blank. I might hop on tonight, though. So I might not be on. I don't know. Hear that? I'll be trading from my phone. I was literally close to a $6,000 payout in like 2 days. Ugh. Sorry. It's okay. You see how it's stalling here? Again, like, this is a really nice entry. But it just won't go up. So whoever it is, there's a big dog shorting the shit out of it. They want a better price. Oh my god. This ain't going, is it? I'm closing it. Don't break your shit! I want to break my stuff. Ah! Pretty bad day for me. I think I'm gonna call it. It literally broke this trend line. That was the head and shoulders. We said if it breaks this, it's fucking bad, and I'm just a fucking piece of shit because I said this out loud to myself that this will be a bad sign. One of them's cracked. I have a lot of money in my other one, so I'm okay, but I can't give more money back. But I'm gonna hop off. I'll let you guys know on Discord if I get on later. Getting back way too much money. Sorry, guys.